Hey, it's Cherise here with another mini chat tutorial. Today we're going to look at the comment trigger one. If you had watched the first one, then you already know that we've got to start with our messages, make sure that we got all of our wording and everything that's going into mini chat correct, ready to go. Before we get bright shiny object syndrome playing around in mini chat. So my name is Cherise. I'm a marketing automations and systems expert, and I work behind the scenes doing all the little techie things that help my clients make more money online and make their business run easier, smoother, faster. And today we're looking at mini chat because let's just say this is starting to grow in popularity among the coaches and the service providers. Now, if you are totally new to mini chat, let me just set the stage for you in case you're not quite sure what I'm talking about. MiniChat it's a chat bot, and it sends automated DMs and automated comments on Instagram and Facebook. And you may have noticed this if you follow any content creators or influencers who make their living through their affiliate links and their commission. So you may have seen posts where they're like, comment link or comment, whatever the word is, and I'll DM you the link, right? You probably have seen a lot of that going on. And now we're starting to see more of this starting to float into the online business world with coaches and service providers to use them to promote their lead magnets and explode the growth of their email list. And to be honest, there's no reason why you can't also use this tactic as well, because what I like about this tactic, now, let me just say, I'm not a huge fan of bots, and I feel like nurturing your audience should certainly be genuine. However, we can't be on Instagram 100 million hours a day, right? We've got lives to live. We built our businesses because we want balance and want to be present in our lives, so we need to create some boundaries. However, we also know that people who are potentially interested in our businesses are online and at all hours of the day, right? You can't be there always when they are. And so a chatbot helps you to sort of warm up that audience, nurture them, and start that two-way conversation. And I think it does it in a really effective way. And I think there are ways that you can ethically use this in your business. So today we're looking specifically at using the comment trigger. Now, if you've already watched the video where we went through this one, where it's like DM me this keyword, this is sort of building on top of that. So essentially the only thing that's going to be different is this piece, and then it's going to go right into the same messaging. It's just sort of copied and pasted here. And I'm going to be honest, I was a little bit sloppy with this because I was just so excited to create these tutorials that I was just like, let me get this out here. Let me just get this out there and get it done. So here's what we're doing. We're doing a comment trigger. The keyword is going to be stack. Actually, better idea, and I didn't mention this in the first one, is that I actually can give you these mini chat templates. So check the description, because that will certainly make all of this a lot easier. Instead of having to watch this video, you can use the template, but I'm sure the video will be helpful. So what we're doing, keyword, stack, it's going to send an automated reply comment so that you tell folks to check their DMs. And so what we're going to do is set up this part so that they do that. So user comments on post or reel. So you can do any post, next post, specific post. If you do a specific post, it needs to be something that's already there, because it's going to have you select the post. If you do next post to reel, do that if you know that it's going to be the next post that you're going to say, hey, comment keyword below. Or if you already have the post there, you'll just choose specific post. I don't recommend doing any post to reel, because why would we want to do that? Then they'll just be getting DMs on any post. Okay, so comment contains any word. We're going to say comment contains specific word. And in our example, we're using stack. And we're just going to click save. And then actually we are going to do the responses. So those little response triggers that we have here. Okay, I just sent you the link. Check your DMs. That's number one. So we're just literally copying and pasting, y'all. So simple. Copying and pasting. let's add a little smiley to that one. Make it a little emoji. You can also add emojis wherever you want to them. Save. And then your reply here. Now this is where we can start to either manually add in everything from this document, but I'm pretty sure there's another way we can do this that's going to be way easier. So let me actually let me do a little experimenting. Okay, so what I thought would happen didn't actually work out. So what you will need to do, so we'll add the action of adding the tag here, and then you're going to write a little response here that says, actually there are a couple of things I'm going to have to change. So we're going to get rid of that action. We're going to have this go straight to here. And we're going to say, we're going to bring in our first message, asking them, this is a reply in the DM. We're going to remove this button. A little bird told me you were interested in the free automated revenue tech stack. Just tell me by typing your email address below. And send as comment reply in the DM. Okay, but instead of saying type your email below, we're going to say type the keyword tech below. And that is going to start the other automation. So that's going to be the simplest way to do this. So we are going to set this live. We can also preview this. And so that's what the response you're going to get. A little birdie told me you were interested, so type the keyword tech, and it's going to send them into that other automation. So when you download, or when you get this template and the other template, you'll want to use these templates in conjunction, right? So if you want to just do the comments and you want to build it out from here, you can continue to build this out. But I recommend that you actually get both templates so that you can just get them right into this funnel. Now, we actually need to change that first message. So, but nonetheless, that's actually the tech of how that's going to work out. So actually we're going to go back here. We're going to edit flow and right. Hey there, type the keyword tech below. And my chat assistant will get you set up. So you can say something like that. And put a little smiley face next to it. Okay, so that's how that's set up. We'll hit update, we'll preview it. Hey there, type the keyword tech below, and my chat assistant will get you the link. Perfect. Once they hit that, it's going to bring them to this automation where it leads with our first message of, hey there, little birdie told me you were interested in the free automated revenue tech stack. Da-da-da-da-da. Perfect. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful. If you want the templates and all that jazz, link is in the description box. If you want more tech tutorials like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification so that you don't miss another video like this, because tech tutorials and all things strategy implementation for online businesses, especially coaches, that is my jam. That is what I love to do. And so I hope that this helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave a comment below if you do have questions, or if you want to just show off your bot, or if you want me to even test it, just comment below. Let me know you want me to test it, your Instagram handle, your keyword, and I will go ahead and send you the keyword. Alrighty, so that's all for now. Good luck, and yeah, that's it.